Hello YouTube, this is Maxminer with part 2 of my TNT landmine tutorial. This is the more expensive, harder to build, but more rewarding landmines. Now, here we go. These landmines are much harder to build, but they will give you better results. The first one I'm doing is an improvement on the pitfall trap, the Capture Landmine 2.0. It requires the block of your choice, TNT, a pressure plate, and a falling block. I'm going to use gravel. Now and this is going to be built above ground, but you would want to build these underground. So you dig yourself a 3-block deep pit, put a pressure plate on the bottom, and break these blocks. Put TNT in their place. Then put TNT right here, gravel, pressure plate. The pressure plate activates the TNT, which falls onto the pressure plate along with the player, activating more TNT so that it gives you an instant kill on the player. Now, the next one I call Big Bertha. It will either, if the player has diamond armor, it won't kill them, but it will launch them into the air, and fall damage will, unless they have feather falling boots. You need the block of your choice, a pressure plate, pistons, TNT, and a piece of redstone. All these are very expensive, that's why I put it in this category. First, you place a block here, redstone, 4 pistons facing upwards, TNT on those, and then blocks like this. The reason I put pistons is because it will push the prime TNT into the block here, launching the player in the air when it steps on the pressure plate. The next one I have is the most powerful bomb, Logan's worst nightmare. It's an instant exploding bomb, and it requires a rail, TNT minecarts, a pressure plate, a dispenser, this is very resource heavy, flint and steel, and the block of your choice. First, you make a V shape with your blocks. Then you place 2 more blocks here, a dispenser facing down, put the flint and steel in the dispenser, put a pressure plate on top of that, and if I step on it, it should light that block on fire. Then, place a rail there, go down like this, place TNT minecarts on the rail. Then, you have to remove the rail so that block can light on fire. This one I will show you because I added more TNT than in my showcase. They step on the pressure plate and kaboom. As you can see, it does a lot more damage, and it will guarantee a kill with the right amount of TNT minecarts. And now I'm going to show you one more part of my Star Wars themed world. Yoda's house. This is it. Looks like a tree trunk, because that's what it is. Very simple interior. I used a giant mushroom for the roof. And I can even turn into Yoda. Goodbye!